In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new promotional deal on Fresha. Setting up exciting promotions can be a great way to attract new clients and keep your existing ones coming back for more. So let's dive into the Fresha dashboard and get started on crafting your perfect promotion. First, we'll begin by navigating through the Fresha interface. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand side of your screen, and there you'll find an option labeled Marketing. It's the one that looks like a megaphone icon, so go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage all your marketing efforts, including your various promotional deals. After clicking on the Marketing tab, you'll see a section called Deals under the broader category of promotions. Give that a click as well. This is where you'll manage all of your deals, including any new ones we're about to set up. Now that you're in the Deals section, you'll notice a black-colored Add box located on the right-hand side. Select that, and we can start creating your new promotional deal from scratch. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. Next, choose Promotion from the list of options, and then click Continue at the top of the screen. This will initiate the setup process for your new deal. You'll first want to give your promotion an appealing and inviting name. This is what will catch your customers' eyes, so make it catchy but also clear. Optionally, you can add a description. While this is not mandatory, it can add valuable context about the deal to your clients. After that, set the discount value in percentage terms. This is an important step that determines exactly how much of a deal your clients will receive, so choose wisely. You'll also need to decide on a discount code. This is what clients will use to redeem the offer, so ensure it's something simple but memorable. Next, you will specify when your promotion starts and ends. If you want this promotion to run indefinitely, there's also an option to never set an end date. Moving on, edit the Apply To section to specify whether this promotion applies to services, products, or memberships. This flexibility allows you to tailor the promotion to suit your business needs. Once you're satisfied with those settings, click Continue at the top of the screen. Here you have the opportunity to set any limits, whether it's one use per client, a certain number of users, or a minimum purchase requirement. Again, click Continue when you're ready. Finally, select the locations where this promotion will be available. Once everything is set, just click Create and you're done. Your new promotional deal is live and ready to bring in those eager customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Fresha marketing efforts.